friends, welcome back to another October DIY project. Today we're gonna sit down and do some journal pages. By journal pages, I don't mean writing in a personal diary, I mean more like a scrapbook. It's basically the process of getting a blank journal page or scrapbook page and collaging items onto the page to create something that's aesthetically pleasing and usually thematic in some way. The theme could be a color, a season, a memory, and you absolutely can do actual like journaling, like writing a diary entry or tracking things in these journal pages. It's somewhere between like a bullet journal and a scrapbook. Sometimes I like to just sit down and use all these little pretty pieces of paper that I collect and put them on a page and make it look pretty. It's just very fun and satisfying. So I did 5 journal pages in the theme of fall and Halloween. So some of them are more like fall and some of them are more like spooky. I highly recommend this as an activity just to do something light and creative without having to think too much. If you're one of those people who saves little pretty pieces of paper, or you have maybe like a drawer full of memories or something like ticket stubs and stuff like that, you can use all those items and just start layering them into a blank notebook. And if you want to do these journal pages for a new season or or just for the occasional like fun project, I just think it's a nice way to sit down and unwind. So grab a cozy beverage and a blank notebook and let's do some journal pages together. Well guys, that's it for today's DIY project. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you journaled along, or maybe are planning to journal in the future. There's so much inspiration out there on Instagram and Pinterest, so if you do any journal pages of your own, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and tag me at @HeyMishka, because I would love to see what you're working on. This video brings us to the end of the first week of Vlogtober. My Vlogtober is DIY projects and vlogs every other weekday this month, so thank you for hanging out with me this week. It's been so much fun, a little bit crazy, but so much fun doing these videos. And I will be back on Monday with a brand new set of videos. But for today, make sure you hop on the newsletter, heymishkanewsletter.com, and I'll be sending out a digest every Sunday, just kind of breaking down all the content from the week. So you can subscribe here and turn on alerts, or you can subscribe to the newsletter and just get that weekly digest, or both. I really appreciate you watching, and if you are watching, please drop a comment and say hi. I love hearing from you guys. And otherwise, I'll see you next week. Have a creative, cozy weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye for now.